Go ahead and lift whatever kind of weights you want, you'll still build muscle. If you want to gain muscle and strength by putting in as little effort as possible, researchers have good news. Any amount of resistance training can offer benefits. The group found that this kind of exercise promoted both elements regardless of the intensity or frequency of workouts, though benefits increased with more exercise. Point 1. The meta-analysis was published in June in the British Journal of Sports Medicine. According to a 2018 study, only about 40% of adults do muscle-strengthening activities such as squats, push-ups, and bicep curls. Point 2. That's despite evidence that resistance exercises may do everything from improve physical function to reduce the risk of many chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes, cancer, heart disease, stroke, and obesity. Point 3. Research into the effects of strength training has lagged behind that of aerobic exercise by a couple of decades, Stuart Phillips, a kinesiologist at McMaster University and one of the study's authors, told Health. For seniors or the general population that are just looking to be more active and healthy, a simple strength routine is very beneficial, echoed Washington.